Double your hair's volume and enjoy 24-hour hold with the Abundant Blowout Spray. This Abundant Blowout Spray is suitable for all hair types and textures, so whether your hair is fine, medium, or thick, you'll see instant lift and body. For best results, use the Pure Abundance Volumizing Shampoo in the shower, following with Pure Abundance Volumizing Conditioning Rinse. Prepare your hair with the Pure Abundance Volumizing Style Prep, then style with Abundant Blowout Spray. Begin with damp hair, section your hair, shake the product well, and spray the first section. Blow dry to activate, then style as desired. Continue to the next section, spray and blow dry until you've finished all of your hair. For a smooth blowout, use a round brush and finish with the cool setting to lock in shape and shine. Enjoy a beautiful, voluminous hair that lasts all day with the Veda's Abundant Blowout Spray. Have a great day with Fair Day.